Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, let's talk about Luna Classic, and you guys are waiting for Luna Classic to do something. I'm waiting for Luna Classic to do something. I'm in the trade of Luna Classic, and I've been waiting all my life for Luna Classic to do something. Please do something. I'm sick and tired of waiting and sitting down. I'm tired, but it does look like my wait and your wait is coming to an end because look at the EMAs, right? So for the very first time, we are about to get a proper bull cross. The last time you actually went above, you came under the 55 again, but you've struggled your way and you're making in a squeeze. So you can see that this 55, the 10 and the 20 is coming to make a squeeze. And the maximum time I'm actually thinking about it is 3rd of June. So 3rd of June is when we might see a nice good start of a nice good rally to the upside. Now keep in mind, it's not going to be a long update. All I want to say is that you have an ascending triangle, and the ascending triangle technical target is going to be up to probably 16,871. So we're looking for probably a pump up here, and that's going to be an amazing move to the upside of nearly 41%. So that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.